Now today we will discuss chapter 3, pair of the linear equation in two variables. Here standard form a1 a1x b1y c1 equal to 0 a2x plus के b2y c2 equal to 0 we can 2x plus के 3y plus के 7 equal to 0 4x plus के 7y plus के 8 equal to 0. This is the pair of linear equation in two variable. In previous chapter we discuss here ax plus k b equal to 0. This is a linear equation in one variable, right? For example, 3x plus k1 equal to 0. Now we find the solutions of pair of linear equation in two variables. All right. Now there are the three methods. First method, graphical method, are also called geometrical method. All right. Next is substitution method. And third one, elimination method. Both these methods also called algebraic method. Algebraic या algebraical method. Okay, algebraical method. All right. Now we discuss करेंगे here graphical method. All right. I will write again a1x b1y c1 equal to 0 a2x plus k b2y plus k c2 equal to 0. Now here graphical representation. All right, here a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. Graphical representation intersecting line. Intersecting lines. All right. Now intersecting lines. These are intersecting point. Intersecting lines. Intersecting point at this. Right. Here there is one solution. Now next point we discuss here a1 a2 equal to b1 b2 equal to c1 c2. Graphical representations. Coincident line lines. And which type of solutions? Many solutions. Many solutions. Okay, coincident line, this line, and again overlap this line, and this line coincident line. Right? Now A1 A2 equal to B1 B2, but not equal to C1 C2. Then what type of graphical representation? Here parallel lines. Parallel lines. And which type of solutions we get? Parallel lines look like no solutions. No solution. Alright. Now we take example here. X plus k, 3y equal to 6, 2x minus k, 3y equal to 12. Okay, we represent graphical representation. We plot a graph. Alright. Marker is not running properly. Now we take a marker. Solve. Alright. Now here this is the x-axis. Okay, this is the x dash, and this y, and this one is y dash. Alright, this origin. Now we substitute. We making a box. Alright, for particular equation x and y, or this, and another box for another particular equation. Alright, this is the x and y, taking the value of x and y and solving equation. If here x and y is equal to 0, we get x is equal to 6. Alright, if we put y 0, then 3 multiply 0, whole term is 0, then x is equal to 6. Again, we put x is equal to 0, we get 3y equal to 12, y equal to 12 by 3 minus k 4. Clear? Now solving the another equation, plus k4. We solving the first equation. This is plus k4. If x is equal to 0, then 3y is equal to 6, y is equal to divide by 3. 3 2, I think this is the 2. Okay, this is the 2. Y is equal to 6, y is equal to 6, 3 by 2, 3 cancel out, then we get 2. Alright, this box value is get from equation this. Now solving the another equation, here we putting y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6. Then if x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus k4. Now putting the whole volume, first we 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 or minus 7. Now similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4 minus 5 minus 6 minus 7. Similarly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4, I think we write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Now putting the whole values of given box. Here x is equal to 6, x here, okay, and y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 here, then we point get here. Now x is equal to 0, y barabar 2, another point is here, okay, another value is x is equal to 6, again this value, and y is equal to 0, again we get here another point, here x 0, y minus 4,